The underground miracle turning ordinary gardens into powerhouses by spring 2026. There's a quiet secret great gardeners never rush to share, yet it's sitting in nearly every backyard, waiting to turn your soil into the richest, darkest, plant-boosting gold you've ever seen. Most people bag it, burn it, or rake it to the curb, never realizing they're throwing away the very ingredient that could double their yields by next spring. Yes, those wet, messy leaves scattered across the ground hold one of the most powerful shortcuts a lazy gardener could ever use, and today on Crop Corner, we're diving deep into how to turn that yearly nuisance into the easiest compost you'll ever make. The beauty of composting wet leaves is how little effort it requires. Instead of complicated systems, constant turning, or buying fancy gadgets, you can create a nutrient-dense mulch and compost blend that transforms poor soil into loose, fertile earth bursting with microbial life. Wet leaves break down faster than dry ones, and that's your golden advantage. By spring 2026, your garden will have the kind of soil structure people pay top dollar to import. All it takes is understanding how to help those leaves decompose effectively without lifting more than a rake. Many gardeners underestimate how powerful wet leaves are because they look soggy and, kind of slimy, but that's exactly why they work so well. Their moisture speeds up decomposition, allowing beneficial fungi and microorganisms to colonize them quickly. These organisms are the engines of composting. When given the right balance of air, carbon, and nitrogen, wet leaves become a soft, crumbly humus that plants absolutely devour. The key is to help them break down without letting them mat or suffocate the soil. To start this effortless transformation, just gather your wet leaves into one dedicated corner of your garden. Instead of piling them too tightly, create a loose mound so oxygen can move through it. If your leaves are extremely soggy, gently fluff the pile to create air pockets. Once gathered, add a nitrogen kick to help them break down faster. The simplest formula is 1 part manure or grass clippings to 3 parts wet leaves. If you prefer a liquid boost, mix 1 cup of unsulfured molasses into 5 gallons of water and pour it evenly over the pile. The sugars in the molasses feed the microbes, accelerating the breakdown process dramatically. With this mixture in place, there's no need to turn the pile every week. This is honestly the lazy gardener's dream. You just turn it once now, then, you can pretty much forget it until the weather warms up. The natural freeze-thaw cycles through winter will shred the leaves internally, creating the perfect texture for spring use. Microbes remain active even in cold temperatures, slowly working through the pile so that when April or May arrives, your compost is nearly finished without any extra work. One of the most powerful advantages of composting wet leaves is the fungal growth they produce over winter. Leaf mold, which is that soft, dark material made from decomposed leaves, is rich in fungal networks that improve soil structure far beyond what standard hot compost can achieve. These fungi bind soil particles into soft crumbs, improving water retention while still allowing excess moisture to drain freely. Roots really thrive in this environment, spreading deeper and faster, resulting in higher yields and more resilient crops. This is why woodland soils grow massive trees without ever being fertilized. Fallen leaves are nature's original compost system. If you want to take this technique further, you can incorporate kitchen scraps sparingly into your leaf pile. Just avoid adding too much food waste, as it shifts the microbial balance, but a few vegetable peels will help. You can also sprinkle a thin layer of finished compost or garden soil over the top to inoculate the pile with additional microbes. Think of this step as seeding the pile with life. It really doesn't take much to trigger a rapid breakdown. By early spring, your pile should be well on its way to turning into dark, earthy material. At that point, you'll want to check the texture. If you can crumble it between your fingers and it smells like a forest floor, it's ready. But if the leaves are still somewhat intact, you can simply spread the material as a mulch over your garden beds. It'll continue breaking down in place, enriching your soil right where your plants need it most. This method is especially helpful for gardeners with clay or sandy soils because, leaf compost dramatically improves both, creating a balanced, healthy growing medium. This is also the perfect time to prepare for seasonal planting. Blend the finished leaf compost into your topsoil as you prepare rows or raised beds. Your soil will become softer, more alive, and honestly, much easier to work with. The nutrients released during decomposition feed your plants organically and steadily, eliminating the need for synthetic fertilizers. And because wet leaves compost slowly, they act as a sustained-release nutrient source all season long. Another advantage you'll appreciate by spring 2026 is water efficiency. Gardeners who use leaf compost notice their soil drying out far more slowly in hot weather. The humus created from wet leaves acts like a sponge, drawing in water and holding it until plants need it. This can cut irrigation requirements drastically, especially during the early growing stages when seedlings are sensitive to moisture fluctuations. Combine this with mulch made from partially decomposed leaves, and you create a layered soil ecosystem that supports your crops from seedling to harvest. For gardeners who struggle with weeds, leaf compost is also a bit of a secret weapon. When layered thickly around plants, it blocks sunlight from reaching weed seeds while simultaneously nourishing the soil. This dual-function approach reduces weeding time and keeps your crops healthier. Even stubborn perennial weeds struggle to push through a dense layer of decomposing leaves. For the truly ambitious, you can create a second leaf pile now to prepare for next year's garden. The process becomes easier each time, and your soil grows richer with every season. Imagine stepping into spring 2026 with dark, fluffy earth that already smells fertile, requiring barely any effort to prepare. That's the power of using what your yard already gives you for free. Wet leaves aren't waste, they're a gardener's inheritance. Once you start treating them like valuable resources, your soil transforms, your plants respond with vigor, and your workload decreases dramatically. It's the ultimate lazy gardener's secret, and it's one that rewards you more the earlier you start. By collecting and composting those damp leaves now, you're setting up your garden for its most productive season yet. If you found this guide helpful and you're excited to transform your garden using natural, low-effort techniques, make sure to subscribe to Crop Corner and share this video with your fellow gardeners. Let's grow stronger, richer soil together, season after season.